Dassault Rafale aircraft deployment, a key role in conflict zones. The Dassault Rafale fighter aircraft has become a focal point in a number of conflict situations around the world, demonstrating its prowess in a variety of battlegrounds. The aircraft, manufactured by France's Dassault Aviation, has proven its capabilities in a wide range of missions, from airstrikes to ground attacks. With leading-edge technology and versatile capabilities, the Rafale has been relied upon to meet operational needs in various conflict zones. Its advanced avionics technology, active electronically scanned array radar and stealth capabilities make it difficult to detect and a highly effective weapon in aerial combat. Its participation in various global conflicts has emphasized the Rafale's critical role. In Libya, it played a significant role in ensuring air superiority against a complex air threat. Its ability to hit ground targets with accuracy also reinforces its position as a reliable multi-purpose fighter. Moreover, the Rafale's deployment to Mali helped in stabilization and peace enforcement efforts. It effectively projected French power to counter armed threats and provided support to ground forces. The confidence of partner nations, such as India, Egypt and Greece, who chose to adopt the Rafale as part of their defense forces, demonstrates the level of reliability and sophistication of this aircraft in the international defense context. Cross-border partnerships and cooperation in Rafale deployments not only enhance France's image as a key player in global security affairs, but also demonstrate how technology and military power can play a key role in addressing conflicts and maintaining peace. Thus, the Dassault Rafale, with its superior capabilities and vital role in various conflicts, remains a symbol of technological strength and effective strategy in responding to the challenges in the world of global defense and security.